Let's start. The denominator of a fraction is 1 more than the twice of its numerator. If the sum of the fractions and a reciprocal is 2, 16 upon 21, find the fraction. The options given are 3 by 7, 7 by 3, 4 by 3 and 3 by 4. Okay. Now here, our first instinct is to let the numerator be x, denominator be something 1 more than twice the numerator, means 2x plus 1, we'll write it. But don't go for x. There is a simpler way. Check the options 3 by 7, 7 by 3, 4 by 3 and 3 by 4. So it's very simple. 1 more than twice the numerator. 3 is the numerator. Twice the numerator is 6 and 1 more than 7. Then 6 is 7. That is 3 by 7. So that's it. Don't go for x, nothing. Don't solve anything. Immediately you'll get the answer. 3 by 7 is the answer. You need not even check the second condition. If the sum of the fraction and reciprocal is this, you need not do it. Even once you get the answer, for your confirmation you can try it. Fraction and the reciprocal. Do the reciprocal and add them, you will get the same answer. But in exam,